Welcome back to Summit Railway, everyone. It's a cold, snowy winter day. I'm in the workshop and the project on hand right now is to build a prototype lantern for my platform area. Those are the raw materials I've got. This is a piece of round brass, which is the upright part of the lantern. Here we've got some flat brass, which will go underneath as a footing, a plate to screw the lantern onto a piece of wood or so. And here I've got some ready to install lamps and horizontal pieces, and the plan is to mount them on this round piece of brass and then build a footing out of this flat piece of brass. I've got this stripped down lantern as height reference. I want to build a lantern that is as high as this, and it should be a pretty basic process, so let's get started. Now that we've got the upright part of the lantern, it is time to mount those lights, and I will try it by simply drilling a hole through this lantern mast and then sticking this piece in, but I'm not sure if this will hold up, so we will try it and then go from there. Okay, that's good. I've drilled intentionally too small to avoid getting the hole too big, obviously, but now it's actually too small, so I need to drill a little bit bigger. 1/10 of a millimeter more and it will fit. Okay, that's what I thought. Look how wobbly all this is. That's not good. Here's the plan I've come up with. The problem is the thickness of the wall is too thin. So when I stick this lantern in, it can wobble like this. And my solution is, my prototype solution, this is not a clean way to do it. I found this piece of brass and I drilled a 3mm hole in it, and now I'm trying to embed this like this in the upright piece of the lantern, and then I will have way more room to stick in this lantern right here. This will be way more stable if it works. Nice! That is already looking like a lantern, at least to me. And now I have to solder on the foot down here, which I have to build at first. I urgently need to buy new drills. Those are dull as hell. We are almost ready for paint. The surface is prepped and now I'm going to use the heat gun to heat up the lantern because it's very cold outside and spray paint doesn't like the cold weather. So I will heat it up and then spray paint. Look at that! I have mounted 4 of my favorite lanterns side by side so that we can have a good look at them. First up, we got the lantern that we built in this video. It is completely scratch built, made out of brass, very sturdy and robust. I have installed 2 19-volt light bulbs which make nice light, and I'm very happy with the looks of it. Overall, it cost me around about 20 euros in materials to build this lantern. The next lantern is supposed to be installed in the vicinity of switches and in shunting areas. It has 2 LED spots which can be operated between 10 and 24 volts. The upright part of the lantern is plastic, but in the center of it, it has a metal rod which also encases all the wiring. Here we've got another lantern. This is bought off of eBay, completely assembled, but I have done some changes to it. First off, it is made out of brass, so it's very sturdy and robust as well, but it came with LED lights and they made a terrible light, so I changed them for 24 volt light bulbs. Overall, a very nice lantern. The only downside to it, it costs 70 euros. Last but not least, we've got the 4th lantern. I bought this one years ago and I have installed this one in the garden. It held up very good. It still works. It is also made out of brass completely. And yeah, I'm very happy with this one. The only problem is I can't find it anymore, so I'm not able to buy several more of them, and for that reason it is a one of a kind, at least on my layout. And that's my take on Garden Railroad lanterns. I've got 4 candidates which I have shown you in this video. This one is my self-made scratch build lantern. I will use this one extensively on platform areas. I will build several more of them at a cost of 20 euros. This is very reasonably and I like the looks of it. This lantern comes as a build kit. You have to assemble it. It takes around about 10 to 15 minutes. It costs 30 euros and is perfect for shunting areas and to light up switches and so on. So I will use this one as well. That one on the other hand is way too expensive. I like the looks of it, but I don't like the price point. And here we've got a nice lantern which I will use somewhere nice, but I can't buy any more of them, so it's a one-way ticket for this lantern. I hope you have enjoyed this video and we will see us in the next one. Bye!